Morning, all you beautiful people out there. Happy Saturday. Today I just wanted to reach out and actually ramble today, as in there's no real agenda for the video, just to say hi, good morning, count your blessings, and thanks for tuning in. Might as well give a quick update because that's what people do when they do these videos. But in case anybody is actually curious, just got done with the run. Saturday morning run. Felt great. Only 2 miles, but I love coming out here kind of like the break of dawn. You get the sun comes up over there, and then really like seeing the Christmas lights back there. It's really pretty. And I got some more down the strip here. Very much a Christmas guy, along with my wife, as evidenced by the tree that's been up in our living room for almost 2 months now. But it's beautiful at night. Anyway, so yeah, a couple things, a couple updates. Busy night last night. Was up till after midnight, knocking things out. I submitted my life insurance agent application for the state of Texas to the Texas Department of Insurance. So I'll follow up on that. With any luck, I will be a licensed agent here in the very near future. I'll give an update on that. Update number 2 is I've reached out to numerous infinite banking concept practitioners in the hopes of securing a sponsorship, creating a relationship, a learning relationship, and starting the actual certification process that the Nelson Nash Institute requires for its practitioners. Really great podcast I listened to the other day by John Perrins and John Montoya, 2 IBC practitioners that practice out, I think, in the Bay Area, at least one of them. I think they're both West Coast though. Great guys, great content, very educational. Strategic Wealth is what it's now called. It used to be the 5th edition podcast, but that's John Perrins and John Montoya. I get paid nothing for this endorsement, but great content. Anyway, so I reached out to all these people, hoping to secure a relationship and start setting them up underneath them. I got a video call on Monday, same day as my tooth extraction. Yes, more dental work. I love it. I don't love it. I hate it. But yeah, so speaking with some guys out here in Texas that have their own practice, their own business, where they implement the IBC strategy for their clients, and the various ways that you can do it. So praying that goes well and that leads to somewhere. All paths lead to somewhere. And then yeah, so that was number 2. Number 3 is morning. Number 3 is the co-hosting LLC that we started up, Rising Tide Hosting. Filed the LLC here recently. Have my first client. That's really update number 4. We sold one of our Michigan properties. So we sold one of our Michigan properties, and we're doing a 1031 tax deferred exchange on that, meaning we don't pay any capital gains taxes on it. We sold it for more than we bought it for. And we're rolling that money into our 4-bedroom, 4-bath pool cabin that's being built, and it's supposed to be finished by the end of the year. December 29th is our close date now, out in Tennessee in the Smoky Mountain area. So the beauty of that transaction there, selling the Michigan house, which is bittersweet because we love the house, is the owner has a couple Airbnbs, like short-term rentals, down in the Southwest Michigan area. He's a business owner as well, retired minister, great guy. Wants me to co-host for him for all of 2024. So I still have income coming in from that property. This year we're due to gross $130,000 on it. So it performed well, and it now has a new owner but I picked up my first client in co-hosting, as I will primarily be hosting that property for him. So that's update number 4, I think, maybe 5. Number 5 is just another Turo booking. I'm gonna go in here in a minute. I'm gonna bring in I'm gonna go shower, and then my oldest son has his first basketball game today. Super stoked about that. Got his uniform last night, so he actually slept in it last night. He was so pumped. That's the greatest thing about having kids, is just to see pure joy on their faces. And it's not all the time, but last night it was, so super cool. But yeah, so we had our third Turo booking today. 3-day booking. Again, we restrict our calendar for Friday through Monday, so only a couple days out of the week that people can book it. And then our 4th booking came in a couple days ago as well, in December 15th or something like that. So so that is going fairly well. So I think 1 month in, we'll have grossed over $800 with expenses, probably down to $700, maybe $600. I got all those details in an Excel spreadsheet that I'm tracking. I'll provide an update at some point for those that care. So the goal with that update number 5 is to really streamline the operations there. And I got plates for my new car, my Toyota Camry, and I'll probably put that up there as well, because we'll probably get a third vehicle that we will not rent out. More a vehicle that fits the size and needs of our family. So 5 updates, I think, maybe 6, I don't know, whatever that is. But I'm done rambling. So 7 minutes in. You guys ever have any questions about any of this stuff, what I'm doing? I'm not an expert, but I just believe in doing, I read, I listen, I try to become as knowledgeable as I can before I have to actually act on something. So there's a point in time where, they call it analysis paralysis, some variations of that phrase. At some point you just gotta do. So I'm in do mode right now, because I have some near-term goals that I'm trying to hit. So gotta be doing. I'll fail in some aspects, I'm sure, but that's life. Anyways, yeah, I got more beautiful lights and stuff. It's kind of cool. Anyways, thanks for listening to me ramble. You guys be blessed. Have a fantastic weekend, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Thank you.